of Vicky Kaushal and Sara Ali Khan were eagerly looking forward to their collaboration on screen in the immortal Ashwathama. However, according to the latest reports, looks like the fans are going to be left disappointed. News have been rife that director Aditya Dhar's project has been shelved. According to latest reports, the makers of the immortal Ashwathama have shelved the film after producer Ronnie Screwvala spent rupees 30 crore on the pre-production of the film. The film has been on the pre-production side for over 2 years now, and after doing several things in that stage, including doing multiple recces, getting an international action unit on board, meeting VFX team and others, producer Ronnie decided to shelve the film as he and director Aditya Dhar were not on the same page. The duo had differences over the budget and creative aspects, which led the makers to take this step. Reportedly, after investing a considerable chunk, Ronnie realized that the final budget of the film was going out of control and it would be difficult to recover the money even in the non-COVID times. The film was initially planned to be made within a certain amount of budget, but as the pre-production work kicked off, the budget kept on increasing day by day. Finally, rather than burning his pockets in a longer frame of time, he had a meeting with his investors, actors and director and finally took the tough call of shelving the film. Post this meeting, it is being said that Vicky and Sara have already started to find new projects so that they can allot the dates given to this modern day mythology. The film was supposed to be shot from start to end in Greenland, Tokyo, New Zealand and Namibia and other locations to name a few. The post-production including VFX was expected to happen in the US. It was the second collaboration between Vicky Kaushal, director Aditya Dhar and producer Ronnie Screwvala after Uri the Surgical Strike, which collected over rupees 245 crore and was one of the biggest blockbusters of 2019. Meanwhile, Vicky Kaushal will be next seen in Sardar Udham Singh, which also features October Girl Banita Sandhu in a key role. On the other hand, Sara Ali Khan is gearing up for the release of Anand L. Rai's Atrangi Re, which also stars Akshay Kumar and Dhanush in lead roles.